Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So this is going to be a real quick one where we got Axel here. He is going to be taking the green MR2 to a friend of mine's house, just so then we can go ahead and start mocking up the MR2 GT2 kits and start sending them out to the clients, guys. So let's jump into it and let's go. This is going to be all time lapse, so enjoy, guys. What up? We got Axel back. What's good? What's good, brother? How's it going?
Made it,
I know.
I'm sorry, bro.
Hey, you already know. I know how it goes. So I got to take this thing to Berwyn. Okay? You ready?
Got it.
Guys, you already know, if you're in the Chicagoland area, please check out Axel right here. He's the guy. Any type of low cars, he's got it. You already know how this goes. Let's go. Yeah? No? Oh, but down here? No. Now that we have the MR2 all loaded up, now what we're going to do is go to our friend's house, use their garage, and get this kind of situated and in, and then tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, the week after, we're gonna get into it with the GT2, so let's go. All right, folks, we made it to the garage. So finally, Axel dropped off the car. We're here, and it's looking great, guys. I'm gonna turn the camera around just so that we could see how this MR2 is looking. This is really how it's looking in the sun. This car hasn't been driven, so I'm super excited to show you guys how it looks in the sun with the carbon fiber. Mind you, guys, these parts are just briefly put on. But guys, enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. So the next video is going to probably be of us dismantling this green MR2 and putting on the client's first MR2 GT2 kit that we're going to send out after we fit it up and make sure it fits well. So guys, peace. Enjoy this.